So today we're going to have a tutorial on how to properly eat McDonald's French fries and fish fillet sandwich. Very simple, not too hard, not too complicated, but there seems to be an art to it. And so that's what we're going to be illustrating today. First, you're going to need, obviously, you're going to need the ingredients. Here we have fresh batch of McDonald's French fries. Okay, you're going to need that. Fresh batch. Fresh. Okay, then you're going to need their fish fillet sandwich. Okay, you could just go order the fish fillet. I like the buttery bun, but you know, we're going to go and do that. Then you put a little dabble of ketchup on the side of your burger. Okay, you're going to need that dabble of ketchup later, and I'll explain why. Okay, just do it just like that. A little dabble ketchup right there next to the sandwich. Okay, if you like me, we're going to put a little bit on the sandwich. Okay, we just take a little of that ketchup and we apply it right there on our sandwich. Okay, just a little bit in there. Okay, everything else stays right there in place. All right, then we're going to take our fish fillet sandwich, take a bite. Okay. Okay, chew on it. Now, and take a little bit of fries, and we're just going to smash it all in there together. Okay. Wait, not done yet. Now you're going to take 2 fries, just 2, and you're going to dabble it in the ketchup. Right there. Good form, right there on the tip. Plow to the face. Right there. That's all you need. And that's all you need. Now, you have been properly shown how to eat fish fillet sandwich and McDonald's fries. That's how it's done. And get you some, try it out, tell your people to try it out. That's how it's done. Illustration over. I'm going to go ahead and finish this on off right here because can't let good food go to waste. You know, we will catch you on the other side, okay? You got to get the bite in there together. That's the key. And you take your 2 fries, go on up in there. Stir it up. That seals it right there. That does it. That's how it's done. That's how it's done. Kevin Hart called me. Okay. We've just illustrated how you properly eat McDonald's French fries with the fish fillet. Okay, I'm going to finish. You mind? I'm going to go ahead and finish this. Okay, can't let good food go to waste. Well, the rest of you, I properly showed you how it's done. Okay? And you've been shown. Yes, God. It ain't over. It ain't over. Won't he do it? Yes, he will. Ooh. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.